Hey guys, I was just with my brother a second. Just cut some wood up. I got my oversaw, because I forgot that I had that. Yeah, just had to put a new fuse in that, because I've just got everything cut up. Yeah, I was just cutting it all up off of these. Trimmed it straight down planks. And then it stopped working. So, these. This one, that's the one I normally use. The amp is alright. It's a 13 amp. Oh, it says on plug. So there's a 13 amp in that. You can see when my mate used it. Yeah. It's getting a bit rusted. But you can see where my mate damaged it. It damaged that blade. He damaged that blade there. And then he bended that. So yeah, then something's not solved, so yeah. So most of this is gonna get cut up. So let's try this one. This one is a good decent blade in it. So I'll just plug this one back in. Right guys, check your ears. Okay. Right. Because this is what is a loose wire. So in it, so I thought that if it slipped out, so yeah, that's worked now. If this new fuse been put in. I'll leave that to one side. Yeah, do that, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave them till a little bit later, and then get someone cut up. So